Hi, this is Mr. Curtis, and this is an introduction to the clarinet. The first thing you should do is wet the reed. Take it out of its plastic case. Okay, and you can put it in a glass of water. I think that's best if you're able to do that. If not, then I would suck on it for about a minute. But a glass of water is excellent, though. Works really well. Now, this is the mouthpiece. And the first thing I'm going to do is put the mouthpiece, this piece is called the barrel. I'm going to put them together. There's cork on it. If it's a little hard to put together, you can put some cork grease on it, which, yeah, should be in your case. All right, the next thing, this metal thing is called a ligature. See how the little screw comes out the end? Turn it so that the screw just disappears. You don't want to do it too much. This is the hardest thing, is just putting the reed on. Okay, so that disappears. Now I'm going to take the mouthpiece and I'm going to put the ligature on like this, and it's loose, so that I can get the reed, which is now good and wet, and slip it underneath, and the writing goes down. The writing goes down, and you make it just even with the top. The wooden reed, it's just even with the top. Okay, and I push the ligature down, and then I'm going to make it good and tight, about as tight as I can make it. Okay, once you do that,